Recently, I've changed the air filter in my Mazda and I've noticed a bit of an issue. And that issue basically being, there's this horrible ticking sound when I've got the AC running. So right now I've got it off, so everything's good. If I turn it back on, I really ramp up the fans, you can hear this ticking sound. And you can hear it gets faster as the AC gets faster. And if you really listen, it's coming from somewhere behind here. And what I think has happened is, as I've changed the filter, there's some leaves on it, but some of them might have fallen into the blower fan and now it's stuck in the fan, and every time it goes around it's hitting that leaf. I'm going to go in here, check the blower fan and see if there's any debris in it that's causing this issue. Luckily Mazda has made this a really easy process. So all you need is a screwdriver. I'm not sure which size yet, so I've just got 2. The rest of it is completely toolless. So I'm here in the passenger seat because you access both the air filters as well as the blower motors from the glove box. So you open the glove box normally, and then these 2 sides you push in at the same time, and that is how you get it open a little bit further. So I'm just gonna do that. And you can see these tabs here have come away. And that there is the air filter. When I took that out, there's some leaves and debris on this. So I think someone has fallen down into that box down there where the blower fan is located. You're going to want to empty your glove box as well. There's a clip here, which you can just undo. And that just comes out. This comes out so we can push it out the way. Just make sure no dust gets in there. And this glove box just pretty much comes out like that. We'll store this away somewhere nice and safe. I'm just gonna put it by the driver's seat. But now we've got some really good access to both the blower fan cage, and there's only one more panel that we need to remove now. A bit hard to see, but under here there's 2 clips. One here and another here. Those 2 clips undo. You slide it out. And this comes out. Now we've got access to the blower fan. So it's just 1, 2, 3 Phillips head screws. You probably want a shorter screwdriver than this, because getting it in, especially this one here, sort of bumps against this. So with the 3 screws removed, this whole assembly comes out, and you can see this is a culprit. So these leaves sticking out, they're just causing issues, basically just rattling against everything. So I'm going to take all these leaves out, just give this thing a tiny little clean. So another thing as well is, while this may be clean, the box in here may not. There's a bit of a lip, and you need to check that. So we're not putting any stress on this cable. There's a clip here. Press in that, and it comes out. It's just a simple spade connectors. So I'm going to put this to the side. Now with the towel, you can use whatever you want. It doesn't need to be microfiber. I'm just going to clean this lip here. Just give that a wipe and just check that there's nothing else, like any leaves or anything on that lip. I'll do it more off camera because it's a bit awkward with one hand. Now that it's clean, we can just do the reverse. So put it back up there, install those 3 screws. Yeah, you've got 1, 2, 3 to tighten up. When you're tightening them, start them by hand. Just make sure you don't strip either the head of this, so make sure you get enough pressure, and make sure you don't strip the back because you are screwing into plastic. So we've got the fan back in, but before we put all the other panels back on, we're going to want to make sure that we've actually managed to fix the problem. Start the car, and that is way quieter than it was before. I've put the AC to the setting it was on originally, and it's so much quieter. To put this panel back on, this notch here fits in that slot there at the end. Give it a good push. And you pop the 2 clips back into place. So clip 1, clip 2. Next we've got the glove box and this little holding pin. This pin slides through here, and you want this second nub to go through that clip there. Try and do this with one hand. Yep, so that's installed. These 2 feet, this is all very awkward with one hand, but these 2 bits here, so slide onto that. Push it up. I'd say push it up so it clips in like that, just to make your life easier. This arm can extend and retract, so extend it as far as you can get it. Pop it in, put all your stuff back in the glove box, and you're done. So now, when we go to start the car, and the rattling's gone, and it's quieter as well. I'll play a clip of before. Yeah, so you can hear that sound. And if you really listen, it's coming from somewhere behind here as the AC gets faster. if you're having that issue, this is how you're going to want to solve it. If you got any questions about this process, you can ask me down in the chat. If you found this video useful, I'm glad I could help, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.